Oh, you know it's going to be one of those days. Taking the top off. Install the grab bar handles I got in the mail. This bolt on this pain in the A Rampage too small top fell. Jesus, now the seat's stuck. Landed on the floor inside the Jeep. Damned if I can find it. How the hell? Now the seat won't move. What the hell is going on here? I found this piece hanging. I assume that has something to do with making the thing tip forward. Now this is all bound up and stuck. That bolt bolted. I don't know where the hell it went. What a pain in the ass. What a pain in the ass. Found that on the floor. And apparently someone's broken into my Jeep and broke the latch. God forbid you use the key. No, let's just break it. Unless it went down in here. Nope. How you lose an inch-long bolt. But I did it. It looked like that. Nope, gone. Lovely. I don't know how the hell something like that goes missing. But it did. Looked everywhere, pulled the floor mats out, looked under the seats. Gone. Onward and upward, I guess. Well, if anybody else has this Rampage top and does what I did and lost a bolt, apparently it's an M8. I just happen to have another one. It's gonna bug me for a while. Not too many places to go in here. A little itty bitty car. That's what they say is true about drop a bolt that goes into an alternate universe. Folded these forward. Now neither one of them will slide backwards or forward. What the hell is going on? And no, I still haven't found that bolt. There we go. What the hell is going on with this thing? Unbelievable. Somebody must know what the hell's going on here. They're both wedged right up against the seat. This one won't go down. The other one's disconnected, feels disconnected now. What the hell is going on here? let both seats break just by tipping them up to get into the back seat. I'll tell you, this is not what I wanted to be doing today. What the hell's going on? If you know, please let me know. Otherwise, my only choice is to take the seats out, turn them upside down, and try and figure it out. But I can't imagine I'm using that lever wrong. I guess I figured I'd grease everything while I was under there. But now it won't even... What the hell is going on in here? I don't know what's going on. This is supposed to be... Spring holder looks like it might be bent. Where is it? There it is. Is that supposed to be curved? What the hell is going on here? Well, yep, I need some help. Somebody tell me what the hell I'm doing wrong. Because now I got one seat sitting forward, one seat. Well, the driver's seat's actually back where I need it, but now nobody can get in the back. I don't know. I wanted to be putting grab bars on. I wanted to be working on another project completely. Unbelievable. Alright, please, comments. Is there an easy fix? Am I supposed to do that and I'm just stupid and I'm using them wrong? What the hell's going on here? What a day.